Today we will start a new part session, how to create a AWS certificate manager from the Terraform. Okay, so previous video we just created a security group and allowed the custom ports like 80 and 443, and this videos uh, I will try to explain you how to create your AWS ACM certificates using Terraform. Okay, so here is the code. So in the ACM, I'm using resources. Resource name is AWS ACM underscore certificate, and my name is the certificate name is cert. So I can change the name is like demo, uh, demo something like that. For demo is okay, but my domain name I add the value in my variables domain values. Okay, I also add the tag environment and lifecycle is destroyed true, and my tag name is equal to var dot domain name. So I just go you my variable.tf file. In the variable.tf file my domain name is here, and my devopswithpawan.com, this is my domain name which I want to use in our ACM certificate. So let me, this is the code, let me push the code into my the repository. This repository is publicly available. You can download the code from the repository. I will add this link in the comments in the description section. So adding ACM for demo, comment and save, and all comment changes, push and sync the changes. Once I sync the changes, so I just go to my browser. At the moment you can see there's no any certificate. Okay, this is my AWS console. I just go to my workspace, and this is my workspace, and it still is and adding ACM for demo is planning. Okay, just go here and see what is the wrong with it. The attribute is the demo tag is the missing line number 13. Okay, so I will go back to again my VS code, the ACM, and line number 13. So this is line number 13. So my tag name is equal to var dot name, so I can put the name here, demo, uh, DevOps hyphen demo. Okay, say before doing anything I would like to Terraform plan locally. So here is also the demo certificate resource is not fine, so I think I need to change this resource name demo to again cert. Whatever you can use the name, is not issue. Terraform plan. Tag already is exists, so because you can see here is also tag, here is also tag, so I don't need to this tag. I just remove that tag because I just copy duplicate, control S. Okay, so Terraform plan again. Hopefully it will work right now. Okay, it's perfectly fine. Pushing my code, removed extra tags, sync. Again go to my Terraform. Okay. So my remove extra tag is in queue. Yes, it's planning right now. Once it's done, meanwhile I'm just trying to log in my Cloudflare account. I have also set to FA. Let me go to, oh, it's create one resource is creating. So ACM cert manager is like DevOps with Pawan, and I would like to add this domain, confirm and apply. Once I apply it, so I can see here the requested certificate. At the moment there's no any requested certificate. as option is only you need to request from manually, and there's no any certificate of, you can see now is in pending DevOps with Pawan. And I can see on here it's still applying. Apply finish. So I have created the certificate ACM into the AWS certificate manager using via Terraform. So once I click on this certificate ID, I will get some DNS records. So I just copy these records from here. I go to my domain name and go to DNS setting. I just add this record. The record name is CNAME. Okay, and I will add the value. This is my CNAME value, and this is the name, basically CNAME name, and this is the CNAME value. I just copy from here and paste into the target required and save. It will take sometime few minutes or sometime few hours, depending on the, I don't need to do DNS only, I don't need to do the proxy. So DNS is proxy, because once you use the proxy, so it will make problem. So make sure you should always use the DNS only mode in the Cloudflare settings. Once you done it, it will take few times to issue the certificate. Sometime it happen very quickly, sometime it, yeah, it's happened very quickly. Issued certificate has been issued. Now I can use this certificate in my load balancer. So upcoming videos, definitely I will add the security group and this certificate into my application load balancer today for it. Thank you for watching. Hopefully you will enjoy this video. Thanks.